Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into the complex and crucial topic of best practices for keeping AI data systems compliant. This is a multifaceted area that touches upon legal, ethical, and technical considerations. I'll provide a detailed tutorial with code examples to illustrate some key principles. The landscape of AI data compliance. Before diving into specifics, it's important to understand the broader context. Compliance for AI data systems involves ensuring that your system adheres to relevant laws, regulations, ethical guidelines, and internal policies concerning the collection, storage, processing, use, and deletion of data used in AI models. This compliance spans various stages, from initial data acquisition to the deployment and monitoring of AI models. Key areas of concern and regulations. Data privacy. This is arguably the most prominent area. Regulations like GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, in the EU, CCPA, California Consumer Privacy Act, in the US, LGPD, Brazil, and similar laws globally grant individuals rights over their personal data. These rights include right to access. Individuals can request a copy of their data. Right to rectification. Individuals can ask to correct inaccurate data. Right to erasure. Right to be forgotten. Individuals can request that their data be deleted. Right to restrict processing. Individuals can ask to limit how their data is used. Right to data portability. Individuals can request to transfer their data to another system. Right to object. Individuals can object to the processing of their data for certain purposes, example direct marketing. Data security. Protecting data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction is paramount. This involves implementing robust security measures, including encryption, access controls, vulnerability management, and incident response plans. Fairness and non-discrimination. AI systems should not perpetuate or amplify biases that lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. This requires careful consideration of data used for training, algorithm design, and model evaluation. Regulations like the AI Act in the EU are aiming to address these concerns directly. Transparency and explainability. Users and regulators increasingly demand transparency into how AI systems work and the reasons behind their decisions. Explainable AI, XAI, techniques are crucial for understanding and validating AI models. Purpose limitation. Data should be collected and processed only for specified, explicit, and legitimate purposes. You cannot repurpose data for an unrelated purpose without obtaining consent or having a legal basis. Data minimization. Collect and retain only the data that is necessary for the specified purposes. Avoid collecting excessive or irrelevant data. Data accuracy. Ensure that the data used to train and operate AI models is accurate and up-to-date. Inaccurate data can lead to biased or unreliable results. Data retention. Establish clear policies for how long data will be retained and when it will be securely deleted. Consent management. If you are processing personal data based on consent, you must obtain valid consent from individuals. Consent must be freely given, specific, informed, and unambiguous. You must also provide an easy way for individuals to withdraw their consent. 2. Best practices for building compliant AI data systems. Here's a breakdown of best practices, categorized for clarity, along with code examples to illustrate certain aspects. Data governance and policy. 1. Establish a data governance framework. Asterisk data inventory. Asterisk create a comprehensive inventory of all data sources used in your AI systems. This should include information about the data's origin, content, format, sensitivity, and purpose. Asterisk data policies. Asterisk develop clear and comprehensive data policies that address data privacy, security, quality, retention, and access control. These policies should be aligned with relevant regulations and ethical guidelines. Asterisk roles and responsibilities. Asterisk define roles and responsibilities for data management and compliance. This includes data owners, data stewards, data protection officers, DPOs, and individuals responsible for AI model development and deployment. Asterisk Data Ethics Committee. Asterisk establish a data ethics committee to review AI projects and ensure they align with ethical principles and values. 2. Data Impact Assessments, DPIAs. Asterisk conduct DPIAs for AI projects that involve processing personal data or that pose a high risk to individuals' rights and freedoms. A DPIA is a systematic assessment of the potential privacy risks associated with a data processing activity. Asterisk example, DPIA checklist. Asterisk 3. Data subject rights management. Asterisk implement mechanisms to handle data subject requests, access, rectification, erasure, restriction, portability, objection. Automate processes to the extent possible to efficiently respond to requests within the required time frames. Example, simulating data deletion. B. Data collection and processing. 1. Lawful basis for processing. Identify the legal basis for processing personal data, consent, contract, legal obligation, vital interests, public interest, legitimate interests. Document the legal basis for each data processing activity. Consent is the most common one that is implemented. 2. Consent management, if applicable. Obtain valid consent from individuals before collecting or processing their personal data, especially for purposes that are not strictly necessary. Provide clear and concise information about the purposes of data processing, the types of data collected, and the rights of individuals. Implement a user-friendly consent management system that allows individuals to easily grant, withdraw, and manage their consent. Example, consent simulation. 3. Data minimization. Collect only the data that is necessary for the specified purposes. Avoid collecting excessive or irrelevant data. 4. Data accuracy. Implement data quality checks to ensure that the data used to train and operate AI models is accurate and up to date. Correct or remove inaccurate data as soon as it is identified. 5. Purpose limitation. Use data only for the specified, explicit, and legitimate purposes for which it was collected. Obtain consent or a legal basis before repurposing data for an unrelated purpose. C. Data security. 1. Encryption. Encrypt sensitive data at rest and in transit. Use strong encryption algorithms and key management practices. Example, simple encryption, for illustration only, use robust libraries in production. 2. Access control. Implement strict access controls to limit access to data based on the principle of least privilege. Use role-based access control, RBAC, to assign permissions to users based on their roles. Example, conceptual RBAC. 3. Vulnerability management. Regularly scan for vulnerabilities in your systems and applications. Apply security patches promptly. Conduct penetration testing to identify and address security weaknesses. 4. Incident response asterisk. Asterisk develop an incident response plan to handle data breaches and security incidents. Asterisk test the incident response plan regularly. Asterisk notify affected individuals and regulatory authorities in the event of a data breach. 5. Data masking and anonymization asterisk. Asterisk use data masking or anonymization techniques to protect sensitive data when it is not necessary to use the original data. Asterisk data masking replaces sensitive data with realistic but fake data. Asterisk anonymization removes all identifying information from the data. Asterisk example, simple masking. D. Fairness, transparency, and explainability. 1. Bias detection and mitigation asterisk. Asterisk identify and mitigate biases in data and algorithms. Asterisk use diverse data sets to train AI models. Asterisk evaluate AI models for fairness across different demographic groups. Asterisk example, bias detection, simplified. 2. Transparency and explainability, XAI. Asterisk use XAI techniques to understand how AI models make decisions. Asterisk provide explanations to users about the reasons behind AI-driven outcomes. Asterisk document the limitations of AI models and the potential for errors. Asterisk example, using SHAP for explainability, requires installation, pip install SHAP. 3. Auditability asterisk. Asterisk log all data processing activities and AI model decisions. Asterisk implement mechanisms to audit AI systems and verify their compliance with policies and regulations. E. Data retention and disposal. 1. Data retention policies asterisk. Asterisk establish clear data retention policies that specify how long data will be retained and when it will be securely deleted. Asterisk comply with legal and regulatory requirements for data retention. 2. Secure data disposal asterisk. Asterisk use secure data disposal methods to prevent unauthorized access to data when it is no longer needed. Asterisk overwriting, degaussing, or physical destruction of storage media may be required. Asterisk example, simulating secure deletion, in reality, use dedicated tools. 3. Tools and technologies to help with compliance. Asterisk privacy enhancing technologies, PETs. These technologies help to protect data privacy while still allowing data to be used for AI training and inference. Examples include differential privacy, federated learning, and homomorphic encryption. Asterisk data lineage tools asterisk. These tools track the flow of data through your AI systems, making it easier to understand where data comes from, how it is processed, and where it is stored. Asterisk AI governance platforms asterisk. These platforms provide a centralized view of your AI systems and help you to manage risks, ensure compliance, and promote responsible AI practices. Asterisk model monitoring tools asterisk. These tools help to monitor the performance and fairness of your AI models over time. They can detect data drift, bias drift, and other issues that can compromise the compliance of your AI systems. 4. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Compliance is not a one-time effort. It requires continuous monitoring and improvement. Asterisk regular audits asterisk. Conduct regular audits of your AI data systems to verify their compliance with policies and regulations. Asterisk training asterisk. Provide regular training to employees on data privacy, security, and AI ethics. Asterisk stay updated asterisk. Stay up to date on the latest laws, regulations, and best practices related to AI data compliance. Asterisk feedback mechanisms asterisk. Establish feedback mechanisms to identify and address potential compliance issues. Asterisk version control asterisk. Use version control systems, example Git, to track changes to your AI models and data processing pipelines. V. Challenges and considerations. Evolving regulations. The legal and regulatory landscape for AI is constantly evolving. It's crucial to stay informed about new developments. Data volume and complexity. Managing compliance becomes increasingly challenging as the volume and complexity of data grow. Global data transfers. Transferring data across borders can trigger additional compliance requirements. Subjectivity. Defining fairness and bias can be subjective and context dependent. Balancing innovation and compliance. Striking the right balance between innovation and compliance is essential. In summary, building compliant AI data systems requires a proactive and comprehensive approach. It involves establishing a strong data governance framework, implementing robust data security measures, ensuring fairness and transparency, and continuously monitoring and improving your systems. While the code examples are illustrative, they highlight the kinds of technical implementations that are necessary for building a compliant system. Remember that a real-world implementation would be far more complex and require careful consideration of the specific context and requirements of your organization. The key is to embed compliance considerations into every stage of the AI life cycle.